Welcome back, dearies, to another exciting post of Sinfully Desilicious. Due to the mango season, hope you all remember I intermittently stopped last month's chart theme with Dhabeli Masala. If you are new to my channel, I would like to mention that we celebrated Mango Mania with mango tres leches, mango cream cheese frosting, mango wheat pancake, mango bread pudding, eggless mango wheat pancake, and with the fitting finale was mango apple skiver. Now let's resume the chart theme. Before getting into this dabeli recipe, I wanted to run you through the preparation for the dabeli masala from my previous post. I made homemade dabeli masala in two methods. One was traditional and authentic recipe. The second one was no cooking and shortcut recipe. Now let's move on to this week's recipe dabeli. Though it was originated from the Kutch region of Gujarat, later passed on to different places across India, especially Mumbai, Maharashtra. To describe it in short, it's a Gujarati version of Maharashtrian vada pav. In addition to the regular authentic dabeli, here you can see I made a Jain version replacing potatoes with plantain or raw bananas. Now let's prepare the Jain dabeli stuffing. Pressure cook 3 whole plantains for 4 to 5 whistles, and once the pressure settles down, drain from the water, peel it and mash it thoroughly. Now with these mashed plantains, we are going to prepare the spicy Jain dabeli stuffing. Heat a pan with oil, add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Then add dabeli masala, Kashmiri chili powder, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, sugar and salt to taste. Mix it well. Later add sweet dates tamarind chutney, which is one of the basic chaat chutneys. I've shared the recipe link for this chutney in the description box given below. I've also shared the recipe of other chaat chutneys, namely garlic chutney and green chutney as well. Once you have combined the chutney well with the masala, add some water. Let it simmer for a minute. Finally, add the mashed plantains, stir well and combine it with chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low-medium flame. To the newbies, I would like to describe dabeli. It's nothing but toasted buttery small buns smeared inside with chaat chutneys filled with a special potato mixture or plantain mixture, then topped with grated coconut, masala peanuts, pomegranate seeds, chopped onion, finally sprinkled with dabeli masala and coated with save on all sides of the bun, and it is served immediately. Grab this finger food and take a bite of it where spicy, tangy, sweet flavors explode in your mouth. Undoubtedly, it is a scrumptious treat with a blend of flavors. Later switch off the gas, add grated coconut, squeezed lemon juice. Your Jain dabeli stuffing is ready. One of the garnishing ingredients is the masala fried peanuts. Let's see how to prepare it. Heat oil in a pan, then add dabeli masala, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, sugar, mix well on low flame. Finally add peeled groundnuts, combine well with the masala, switch off the flame and add quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. If you are preparing this masala fried peanuts prior to your day of assembling the dabeli, then store it in an airtight container. Now let's move on to the next step of toasting the buns. Heat a griddle pan or flat pan, smear the buns with butter generously on both sides and toast them well. The choice of bun is flexible. You can choose any variety of bun available near your stores if Laddi Pav is not in stock. Choose any sandwich buns and keep one edge or side intact to hold the stuffing. Now let's move on to the final step of assembling the Jain dabeli. Keep all the assembling ingredients on the countertop. Open the bun on one side, smear sweet dates tamarind chutney. On the other side, smear the green chutney generously. Try to keep the bun intact at one edge. Then fill with the plantain stuffing. Apply it evenly on one side. Since the Jain community doesn't consume rooted vegetable, I replaced the potato stuffing with this plantain stuffing. There was no compromise in taste and texture. It was absolutely delicious and worth a try. After filling the bun with plantain stuffing, add fried masala peanuts, chopped coriander leaves, pomegranate seeds, Add some chaat sev to this. Finally, sprinkle some dabeli masala onto it. Close the bun, press tightly and make sure the stuffing is sealed well inside. Similarly, follow the same steps to fill the rest of the buns. Now spread chaat sev on the plate and gently dust the dabeli bun on all three sides except the fourth side as it's kept intact. As the stuffing is wet, the chaat sev coats evenly on all the three sides as you dust it. Yummy, delicious Jain dabeli is ready to serve. Grab it immediately to relish the treat. Now let's start the preparation of the regular dabeli, which needs potato, pressure cook or steam potatoes. Once the pressure settles down, drain from the water, peel it and mash it thoroughly. It should roughly measure 2 cups here. To prepare the spicy potato stuffing, heat a pan with oil, add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Then add dabeli masala, Kashmiri chili powder, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, sugar, salt, chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mix it well. Then add sweet dates tamarind chutney. Combine it well with masala. Then add some water. Let it simmer for a minute. Later add boiled mashed potatoes. Stir well and combine it with masala and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low-medium flame. Here I would like to add that always feel free to manipulate the spices added. Especially when you add dabeli masala in your stuffing, store-bought and homemade dabeli masala will vary in its taste and spice. Be mindful and increase or decrease masala accordingly. Gradually start with teaspoons, taste and then stop when you reach your spice level. I would highly recommend you to try my homemade dabeli masala recipe, which is a combo of flavors, namely sweetness, spiciness and tanginess. The sweetness comes from the sugar, spiciness from the Kashmiri chili and other spices added, tanginess from the citric acid or the lemon salt. You can prepare my homemade dabeli masala and store it in the refrigerator for months. I even shown the versatility of this homemade masala by using it in various dishes such as dabeli aloo bonda, dabeli uttapam, dabeli pulao. Once the potato stuffing is cooked well, switch off the gas, add grated coconut, squeeze lemon juice. Your regular dabeli stuffing is ready. Next comes toasting the buns. Heat a griddle pan. Smear the buns with butter generously on both sides and toast them well. As I mentioned earlier, you can choose any buns available near your stores. I used mini sandwich rolls, or you can say hot dog buns, for Jain dabeli, whereas here for the regular dabeli, I tried with potato burger buns. Now let's move on to the final step of assembling regular dabeli. Keep all the stuffing, garnishing, topping ingredients ready on the countertop. Open the bun. On one side, smear sweet dates tamarind chutney. On the other side, smear the red or the garlic chutney generously. Then fill with the prepared potato stuffing. Apply on one side evenly. Now add fried masala peanuts, chopped onion and coriander leaves. Then add pomegranate, little bit of chaat sev and sprinkle some dabeli masala. Close the bun, press tightly and make sure the stuffing is sealed well inside. With chaat chutneys, dabeli masala, potato stuffing, fried masala peanuts prepared prior, this dish becomes breezy to assemble, as all you need is chopped onion, pomegranate, sev and grated coconut. It hardly needs 10 minutes to assemble. If you buy dairy-free or gluten-free bun, it turns out to be vegan and gluten-free recipe as well. Take the chaat sev on a plate and gently dust the sev thoroughly on all three sides of the dabeli bun. Thumb rule for chaat is to consume immediately after it's being assembled. Your spicy, tangy and sweet dabeli is ready to serve. Don't miss out my kitchen secret recipe next week, which are the experimental recipes I create with my leftovers, or it can be a variation. Yes, I made variations with this Jain dabeli and regular dabeli recipe. The wait is for a week. It's worth waiting, dearies. Meanwhile, you can check out my last month chart posts such as pav bhaji and its variation, ragda patties and its fusions. When I discovered cooking, I discovered myself. So can you.